Yo, Roman wants us at the Merc HQ.
Pack orders finally came through.
Yeah, he said he's not going to get bad news.
When has that old man ever said there's bad news? Yo, it's Siphon Neat. Why the hell is the door locked?
So strays like you don't stink up the office with a wet dog smell.
So what's up with the pack order that was concerning?
You want the good or the bad first.
Good.
First Spear finally knocked out the AA and artillery elements that almost killed us during Operation Meteor Strike, and Trentport was secured. So UGN Command is directing all Allied forces to Phase 2 of the contract.
So lines Alpha and Bravo are established, I assume?
Yep.
Did Stones report in?
He's already at Phase Line Bravo. Him and CBRN elements reported no further chemical attacks. And funny enough, we will be joining him there tomorrow.
So what's the bad news?
Bravo is 2nd Spear's AO.
Son of a bitch.
You were cool with him borrowing the, you said we could borrow the box mag, right?
The what?
The box mag, right?
What about it?
It was okay. You said it was okay to borrow. Okay.
And if you want to run this guy, I'm dying. So
It doesn't matter to me. So it's fine.
we might as well. Then we'll have 2 machine guns, and I'll go back to the RPK. Okay,
You sure?
dead friendly.
Alright, you want to move up to the front of this little woods line here?
Yeah. I don't know where the kid's fucking going to. No. You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch left side here.
All right.
I'll be back with the
You
RPK.
just fell?
Do you want me to take your scar back?
No, it's I can hold this. Did you just fall right now?
What's that?
You fell right now?
No, it was earlier, but
Oh.
I've been sitting. Now my ankle's getting.
Alright, hey, what's his name again?
Aiden.
Aiden, watch fence line there.
I'll be back in a bit with the RPK. Ideally.
Watch fence line over there on the far left. Okay.
Yep. That was a bird, but
I got front right, not sure friendly or not. Friendly.
someone's down this way right now. Fuck me. Roman!
Okay, one moving left side. Finally, you go down.
I mean, it's easy, so.
Yeah.
Hey, Roman, I'm gonna push up that burb in front of me to get a better view.
Go for it.
Oh, you got a handle on everything. That's awesome. I might put my sniper in the bed for like lunch break.
Is that neat?
Unknown.
Yeah, no, it sounds, it's functioning too well. That doesn't sound like him. Move, move, move. I can't reach him from here. He's down, he's down.
You got him?
He's down. Someone else got him. Someone else got him. Someone front. Someone front. In the bush. In the bush.
Like this. You got? Did you say you got the guy on the right?
Yeah, someone else got him.
Oh, nice.
What? Oh, grenade?
Oh my god. You get any goons?
I have no clue.
That's a nice scope on that thing.
What?
Alright.
You see him?
Where? Where?
Right side, right side, right side. He did.
I would too.
Yeah, realistically.
Why don't you use the?
I think we should stay quiet. No, see that burn?
Orange is pushing the thing.
Yes. Wait for him. Here, get on this side. One right here. Yeah, just wait till they get close enough. Shh. Get low, yeah. Get on that side, that burn. Space it out. Wait for it. Don't move. Roman, they're 10 meters in front. Shh. Wait for it. Wait. Three, 2, 1, fire. Ceasefire. Nope, we're committed. Roman, we're pulling.
No fucking shot here. You get hit at all.
Let's go. Roman. I think Roman died, didn't he?
You know, our childhood dreams and everything is completely destroyed. With the new G.I. Joe movie.
About to go buy the old boxes up there.
Rest in peace, G.I. Joe.
Another one for the funeral fire.
Well, now they're doing a Transformers crossover now.
Yeah. Okay, you know what? Now this is the thing with that, right? Now, I don't. I'm not. We'll see on that. Because if they do G.I. Joe and Transformers shit.
Well, they've already
like
confirmed it though.
Well, I know that. I'm just saying if they're doing that, if they're gonna follow relatively what the comics.
Which will have like 6 issues, so it's not even that much to go off
It
of.
still gives them content.
No, you want trash.
It'll work. Profit. You know what? It's just that Beast Wars movie.
It was shit.
That's why when you were running up to me on
Yeah,
Many such cases.
it was iffy. Like,
Yeah.
it was like,
If you didn't go
I
on
don't know,
there,
it was kind of corny. It was like there was corny shit in there.
it reminded me of like the 80s and 90s kind of corniness though.
Yeah.
Which a lot of people didn't like because they didn't understand it because they didn't grow up with it.
Right.
I think it was better than what Bumblebee was. It was still the same thing. Why is there a door in my way?
Hey, come on. You guys stop doing that shit. You got people standing around you here.
And we're having a conversation too.
Well, I mean, whatever. You got BBs ricocheting over here.
Let's go play. I mean, someone's got to talk shit to the guy with the LMG.
Yeah, but mine's bigger.
Oh! Mine's more productive, though. I'm sorry? Where's your man? Oh, he's still
Or left. Got a bunch. Left side, they're moving towards spools.
Where they got killed? In the building. They're all lined up, ducks ahead in the row.
The compound building?
No, the building to the back right.
Satellite? Okay.
You go.
What?
Battery's dead.
Damn it, I don't have another Dean. No, actually I do, but it's back at the base.
Should I go back to base then?
No, not base, the parking lot.
Yeah.
Wait, the gun battery or the boxing battery?
Gun.
I have a Dean's connector, like Tsutamia thing on my backpack with another battery. You're gonna have to grab that. I'm displacing. Yeah, they know where we're at now. Yep, they definitely know where we're here.
Go back to the bunker.
They're at bunker. We're literally surrounded right now.
Can we make a break to the woods?
They're at the woods.
They're literally everywhere.
We're literally 360 surrounded right now. I'm surprised they haven't gotten to us yet.
Well, that makes our, it simplifies things, huh?
Yeah, everything around is hostile. Shooting.
Alright, we got one coming dead center. He's got a slow left camp. I'll take him.
You gotta be kidding me. I don't got an angle on them. Yep.
Okay, we gotta move. Hey guys, you got people up in schools.
Yep. We gotta fall back. Do you have octagon, right?
Yep, go octagon.
Fuck. What's right?
Go, move it.
Fuck! Ah. Ah. Motherfuckers! I slipped. I fuck. Yep, that's exactly what happened to me. That's exactly what happened to me. I just ate shit right now.
To the right.
I can't believe I'm about to say this. I might have to use those vacation days.
Fuck, you ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for vacation. Yeah.
With all the solo contracts you sent me on.
This is fucking vacation right here. You'd be bored. Ask me how I know.
Look, I know you've been doing the mercenary side of things for longer, but fuck.
It fucking picked off from somewhere. I think it's Tom Harper.
Got one.
How many two bodies left here?
Yep. Got another.
We got nothing over here on our left.
They're all trying to push spools.
Okay. Let them. For fucking half an hour, and then all these kids will come running up, and then we'll leave.
I think I got movement. Hold on.
Nothing on fence line, man.
They're spools. Hey, bitch.
That one?
Yeah, he's trying to hide. Second mag.
Got it.
About half. Where?
To our right. Yeah, 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
Checking out.
Moving noon. He's coming in.
You can light them up.
Let him go. Watch right. Sniper, watch right.
Yep. Hey, what up, Juggy? Did he get you?
Nice, nice. All back. I'm moving out to octagon.
If I didn't lose my axe, I would 1v1 you right now. Nah, it's good.
Do it.
So how you want to do this? Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, no too hard hits.
Trying to hit me?
No, I mean you don't want me to hit you hard though.
Oh, you
right?
can. Okay.
Did that count?
Let's do it again. Let's do it.
Oh fuck! Oh! Wait! Oh! No, you gotta get. Let's try and get me. I prof. Yeah, I'll count that though. Sorry guys, I had to do it.
That was badass. Very cool.
Shit!
What the fuck is happening, guys? You guys got here. Oh, we're on the red cylinder.
I have an idea. Move. Move! Alright.
They're directly this way. You know where they're at. Up top. You can't hit them from here. You might be able to be top of the hill by the red tank. You know what I'm talking about?
Yep.
Alright.
Hey kid, you may want to move for a sec. Kid, you may want to move. You may want to move.
Coming on your left.
Yes or no? It's an easy answer. You don't have a saw, you're out. Fire full on. Machine gun! That's where I am. What do you answer?
LMG, man, they make people mad.
You did.
The window, Aiden, the window.
Where?
The windows!
This building, barracks 1.
I said burst, Aiden. He's coming. Oh, hell no. No, actually, no. Hey, Juggy! Hey! I want my fucking rematch. Really? Can I beat you with steak or something? Actually, no, never mind. I'm not gonna make it fair. I wanted my rematch.
What's he doing?
What do you fucking mean he's walking towards us?
Oh, should I shoot him?
You gotta.
He has a shield. I don't
Hey,
want to hurt his
that's
feelings.
a fucking juggernaut. What do you want
I
me?
don't want to hurt his feelings, dude.
Ah! Oh my god.
See, like,
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Ugh.
I think my battery's dying.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I know, it's fine.
Fuck.